Okay, we're going to start with factoring trinomials, the box method for day 1. First, we're going to start with our factor, or actually, that should be our product, and we're trying to factor it. You're going to put the first term into the top left-hand box, the bottom term in the bottom right. You will take 2 times 3 and get 6. Now what you're doing is you're trying to find which factors add together to get the middle term. It's 1 times 6. It's going rather fast as you go, and you put x squared in the top left, 6 in the bottom right. There's a 1 in front of the x squared. You're going to take 1 times 6 and get 6. You want to find the numbers that multiply together to give you 6. Now you're taking those and finding out which ones add together to give you the middle term of 5. That's where we got the 3 and the 2. Now x squared splits up as x and x. That's how that goes there. Then x times 3 gives you 3x. X times 2 gives you 2x. Again, 3x squared goes in the top left hand, 2 goes in the bottom right. Multiply 3 times 2 to get 6, and you're going to list the factors of 6. We've got -1 and -6, -2 and -3. You want them that add together to get -7. That's where they came up with that. Now, they got the 3x on the left because out of that top row up here, you had to find the GCF. On the other videos, it will go a lot slower to where we can understand. 7x squared is going in the top left. -3 is going in the bottom right. You're multiplying 7 times -3 to find the factors of -21. And you want them that add up together to give you the middle term of -20. That's where we come up with -21 and 1. Now you have to figure out how 7x squared and splits up. Looking here up around the row, the 7 goes into both the top and the bottom. This one is a perfect square if you look at 4x squared in the top left, 9 in the bottom. Now there's no x's there, which causes a challenge to this unless you realize first you do a times c and get -36. You want the factors that add together to give you 0 because there is not a middle term. That's where I come up with -6 and 6. Now you have to figure out the GCF, what goes out into 4 and 6, and it splits up as 2x and 2x.